How to delete an Outlook group. So hey guys, in this tutorial I will be showing you how you can easily and quickly delete a particular group in your Outlook. So in order to delete an Outlook group, the first thing that you will need to do is simply click onto this people tab over the left hand corner. So after you are done clicking onto this people tab, you will be landed onto a page like this. And from this page we will be accessing all the groups that we are a part of. To do that, simply click onto this Go to Groups button at the last. This says find all your groups in the new groups experience. So click onto this Go to Groups button and it will lead you to a particular page where all of your groups will be listed. So for example, let's say I want to delete this particular group. So I will simply click onto this group. And now you can see we are inside this groups, so you can also check events and members from here. And if you want to delete this group, you need to click onto this edit group icon, which resembles like a pencil icon. So click onto this edit group button, and from here you can change the group name, group email address or description as well. And apart from that, you also have this option of delete group at the bottom. So in order to delete this group, simply click onto this delete group button at the bottom and it will give you a warning like this. This says you are about to delete the group 1. Make sure you have backed up all your files. If continue, everything related to this group will be deleted, including conversations, files, the group calendar as well. So in order to continue, you will need to click onto this I understand that all group content will be deleted check mark. And this also says you will be able to restore the group and its related data for 30 days. After that, the group will be permanently deleted. So in order to continue, click onto this delete button and this says you have successfully left group 1. And here you also can see that group 1 is nowhere to be seen as has been successfully deleted. So that was all for this tutorial. If this tutorial was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask, then ask them in the comments. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.